want some ice cream.
I'm hungry for dinner again.
What?
Mm-hmm. I know. I'm telling you, I'm hungry.
What do you want?
I can go home.
You can go home?
I think so.
Okay. You ready?
Oh my God. Look at them. Look at how many birds. Have you ever seen so many birds in your whole life? In one space? I have not. Ever. I've never seen this many birds at once. Oh!
There they go. Look. Causing fucking havoc.
No, they're fucking cool. They rest and then they go.
Go, go, Power Rangers.
What are they doing? It's like they're having like their midnight run. What was that, babe?
I said they running around acting all willy motherfucking nilly.
They're cool. Go over there.
Look at them.
Go over there. They think they own the place.
It's more over here.
I know. I want you to go over there. Okay, go. Look at all of them. It is straight out of frickin' Alfred Hitchcock, The Birds. It is. Hello, birds! About what? No, they don't care. He's yelling at me. I have to get out of the car. Sorry, I had to.
Okay, who's willy-nilly now?